there's my hamster Cindy, and she's already running really quick, and she's already escaping out of the gym. Come here. There she goes, and she's coming right back over here.
The lady is done already.
Come on, Cindy, go down. And she just keeps running over here. This is Cindy. Say hi, Cindy. She is going fast. Yo. And she's probably going to escape. Yeah.
I think this is it.
Or attempt.
What?
Okay, my brother is in the background listening to a stupid retarded video on YouTube.
Holy crap!
So this is why there is all this laughing. Cindy, stop coming.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. This is Cindy.
Oh, that's funny.
Cindy, go zoom.
Oh yeah. This.
She's over there. She's peeking around the corner. She is climbing up this blanket. She's trying to get out, but I don't think she's going to be able to. Oh snap, she did.
Oh, this is gay.
She was able to escape over to here.
Dominic, they're shooting! They're shooting!
Nathaniel, shut up!
I
Shut the bed, go watch.
And
This is my retarded brother.
I got a feeling. Woo, woo.
And back to my hamster.
It's not your hamster. I bought her.
Oh well, it's my hamster. Whoa. She's swimming. And now she's like invisible. Dana, turn off that cord. To get her, put her back into the light so we can see her. And she just comes right back over
Holy
here.
crap! You just hit her
So-
butt.
Here. She just keeps coming over there. Whoa!
Hey, Denny.
There's Daniel holding her. Night.
Yes, come here. Hey, you little fag.
She is just zooming out of his
Why do you
hand.
fag this? Ah, here we go. Why are you so wild today? You frailty.
Aw.
Alright, here you go. I'm watching my video. Hey, I'm the kitty cat. Meow, 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 meow.
Daniel, grab her.
Fine. That way.
Okay, this is going to be the end of the video now, so say bye.